So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel stands for VK Tech Insights. Thank you for clicking on this video first of all. And in this video, I'm going to explain an important learning opportunity for especially for software engineers, those who are working with data domain or software domain. It is not for students. It is only for software engineers. Okay, and it is conducted by the Hack2Skill in partnership with MongoDB. Okay, so the title stands for MongoDB Essentials: Build Smarter, Scale Faster, Design Better. It is a webinar kind of program where you'll be learning the MongoDB Essentials. Okay, the last day to register is on Friday 19th June 2026, right? And about this, it is a live online program. It is a tri-series of live online program designed for software developers and architects looking to master their MongoDB skills and unlock the power of NoSQL. Through practical exercises, we will be exploring data modeling with document model and advanced schema design for patterns, right? You know the difference between structural databases and non-structural databases. The non-structural or non-relational database is called as MongoDB. Uh, Database. Okay, so in this, what you are going to learn, you are going to learn about the architecture, discover the technical advantages of MongoDB, and gain a clear understanding of the key differences between relational, non-relational, and data strategy. As usual, whatever the data which you are learning, no programming you are learning, especially related to data analytics like the MySQL, NoSQL, and SQL, right? So in that you will be using data strategy like create, read, update, delete functions, right? And AI powered applications. And you are going to build an AI powered applications also. So hands-on workshop, which is the gap between sophisticated data analysis, modern semantic search, right? And what we are going to learn, data modeling for MongoDB. So MongoDB. So it is like the transition and querying and data manipulation. You are going to perform, create, read, and update and delete operations, right? And session 2, and the third one is aggregation framework. You are going to master the MongoDB aggregation framework. You will be um, uh, building high performance AI power applications on MongoDB and using the by bridging the gap between sophisticated data analysis, modern semantic search, master aggregation pipelines, right? You will be some functions you will be learning in depth also, and you'll be getting such fundamental skill batch also, right? And the last one, what you're going to see the recognition for the hostel, like you will be getting the official badge, okay, and you will be getting expert lead insights, right? And you will be getting a bat also as a proof of work. Lucky winners will be receiving the premium MongoDB cricket bat also will be getting, right? And these are the speaker who are going to organize your session. This Andrew Morgan and Sejal Khanna, okay, senior developer advocate MongoDB. Okay, 24th March to 19th registrations, and 22 April it is for session 1, and 11th May is third, and 20 June 4 p.m. is for the third session, and for on call is price and wrap up. And what is the duration of webinar? It is absolutely 90 minutes. And how can I end this skill batch? Full webinar successfully completing the batch at the quiz of the end of the session. Are the two sections connected? Yes, both cover distinct advantages of MongoDB and both provides a comprehensive. So you need not to attend all sessions, either any session based on technical interest. Okay, who is eligible? Strictly for working professionals, developer, architects, and data engineers. Okay, note that the students are not eligible for participate in this session. Okay, what is the eligibility? Developers and architects only you can join this hackathon, and you can work with the data driven applications. And registration will not be guaranteed that you will be invited to the session, only based on the eligibility criteria. Okay, this is all for today's video. We will meet in another video, so take care and bye.